Welcome guys. Welcome guys. Honestly, no clear plan. Huh? Could be this or like this to me. I don't have any clear trigger right now. Shit. Let me share this on X. Yesterday was a banger. We code this. We have this also running. Well, I might be stopped entry on this. But we got nice trades. So that was nice. So now let's see what we can have on low time frame. Loki took that. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. That's the setup, the idea, okay. So let's see how it goes. Let me share this everywhere, X, Telegram, Discord, so everyone can join. Up, up, up. Let me open also on YouTube. YouTube. Welcome guys, by the way, I cannot see your comments already. Let me plug in with your channel. Yo Brian. Hello Meridi. Yo Ash Crypto. Hey Neon, how are you? Already 12 people without even sharing it. You guys have the notification on YouTube or? Up. Up. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Damn, do you? What is the answer? Pa, 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 pa. Welcome guys, up. I also have to share it in the Telegram. By the way guys, I will soon open the free Telegram, so the VIP Telegram. Just let me make an announcement. Up. Oh shit. Up. Yo guys, I'm currently streaming, so click the link that is in the Telegram to join the stream on YouTube. See you on YouTube. Up. Shared it here. And there we go. Okay, took time. We are 960 in the Telegram, almost 1K. So nice. That's nice. Up. Let me put the camera a bit higher. Up. Cool. That's good. Up, so there we go. Now we just wait. In terms of price action, we do have still imbalances. We can see that here we had a lot of longs opening. If you look at the volume, okay, a lot of volume here on this bounce, okay. 200 mil delta longs chasing. Spot a bit weaker than perp. We do have longs also chasing. You can see the funding rate here. But I mean, spot is still fine. So if we start from here, it's alright, it's decent. In terms of statistics, we have only 20% chances to take out the weekly low, 20% chances, 10% chance to take the monthly low, but we still have the big warnings on the monthly, okay? But it still looks kind of good. Now we have low chances to take out the daily low. Well, in terms of distance, still 44%. So if we cannot move a bit higher, we might see the low being taken. Same in the session, 1 chase out of 4. So this is not really low, okay? We still have chances to take them. Now, in terms of the VWAP, I would love the VWAP here to be retested, okay? The value we have of the VWAP. Same as the quarterly VWAP here. The yearly value here also. Let's see if we close outside and then we target previous yearly VWAP. And the monthly, we flip the previous value high on the monthly, flip the monthly VWAP, and now we maybe want to see a retest here. So like, yeah, confidence is here, like 93K could be nice, so let's see. Maybe we don't even get it. Now we have a rejection here. We have the daily VWAP here, and we have the weekly VWAP here, 93K. So that might be my target if we do lose that. But if we flip this, I mean, we took the daily high, so now low chances to make a new daily low. If we do all above the daily VWAP, we might push higher. So now let's see how the New York session goes, okay? And well, that's the setup inside week TPO, still in the value. If we get closes above, then that's bullish. But for now, we are still under it, so let's see. Up. Let me check the comments, sorry guys. Hey Jawad, yo, I am Andrew. Nope, was waiting for your stream, it's that good. Thanks Arch. You're the goat at the same time. Short, well, I took a swing short on Ethereum, but I already have my stops entry. Took it on Coinbase. And this is also a swing idea on BTC. But these are not public calls. The music is echoing, boss. Oh, sorry. Well, let me put it here. Maybe it will echo less. Or maybe I have two sources of audio. No. Okay, the sound is here. Okay, let me see. Filters. If I can add a filter. Reducing noise, okay. Okay, I tried this. Let me know if it changed. I don't know if it changed. I'm trying some things. I think it changed something, but let's see. What is TPO? TPO is time price opportunity. It's same as a volume profile, but based on time. I won the raffle on Friday. Send me a DM, brother. Lbank should have sent everything. If not, I will send again your ID so you get it. No worries, you will have it. PPI inflation was higher than expected. Yes, also. But CPI was good, so it's kind of misleading. What do you think of XMR Monero? Yeah, I saw it was pumping like crazy, but honestly, I don't really trade those things. I don't really trade those coins, guys. I don't really trade those coins. Let me do again my list. Remove those things. I remove this. What's this? MYXY. I remove it. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove all those things. So we have like a better. Let's reset all this. Zek might be filling this void. Could be a nice short again, Zek. Maybe we take this. But I don't know. Maybe. Monero, let me add Monero. Monero, XMR. Yo, that's crazy. Well, I am not touching that, guys. I mean, we pumped. Yo, this pump is crazy. Since the start of the month, we pumped. Well, 70%. Totally was more. But that's big. That is big, yeah. Now let's see on the low time frame pushing. That's what I want to see. Holding above this. I might not force a trade today. I'm still tempted to short. Again, I showed it yesterday, guys. I edge, okay? I edge my spot. I edge my spot. Where is it? Here. While the stop loss is wider. I kind of hedge my spots on BTC and my swing long, my remaining swing long for like from 80s. But we can have higher value. The thing is that if we do break above this and have acceptance here above 90 days rolling VWAP and outside this big value, we probably run toward the 265, the yearly rolling VWAP. Could be like a big pump. So let's see. But we don't have that much short. While we have fundings decreasing, we have open interest increasing also. If you look at here, it's mainly longs. Okay, the order book profile is still bearish. So let's see how it goes. Hey, me Rogues, what are you looking today? Honestly, I would like to see an exhaustion, maybe on the longs or on the shorts. Maybe we feel the full week. But I don't know. Still not that much. Here, still nothing. I like to wait a little bit. Whoa. Trading different. Let's look at CoinGlass. Oh no, CoinGlass. Yeah. We mainly have liquidation on the downside, on the low time frame. Look, we have a bunch of liquidation lower. So I feel like we will have a squeeze. Maybe the squeeze comes from higher, but I feel like we'll have a squeeze. Same on trading different. We took all the liquidations, okay? The 100x, we have some at like 91K, which makes sense, okay? That's still the 8-week value very high, but this can still push, okay? We took those. If you look at the 10x leaks, big cluster 99K, so that's the yearly rolling VWAP. So we can go up to here again. The post I did yesterday, the 80K before 100, it's a meme, guys. It's just, I'm just baiting on X. That's not a trade, okay? If you look at the 25x, well, we took most of the liquidations here, but we have a lot of 85K, 50x same. Only the 10x have higher liquidations, and 100x, well, look at the 100x, same. So yeah, it's pretty, for me, the best to follow is the 25x. So now let's see. But this still looks all right. Okay, we need to see how we react at this week. We need to see the reaction at this week, basically. Some longs, okay, entering again. 100 viewers. Oh, 100 viewers, guys. Thanks a lot. That's cool. Let's go. Personally, I believe Ethereum to 3K 200, then I will long. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Where is Ethereum? Here. So yeah, Ethereum could, that could be a swing, honestly. That could be a swing, lower high. Okay, lower high. We left a lot of liquidity here. If we do take this high, I might even close this swing short here because that will be very bullish. So let's see. If we had the trend here, we are above the 4-hour trend, okay? Above the 4-hour trend, above the 1 hour, we tested the 1 hour trend. On the daily, we are above also, we're testing the 200 EMA. On the weekly, we might be under. Okay, not enough data for the weekly. Let's look at the 5-day also. Yeah, but on the daily, 200 EMA, so that's like a nice level on Ethereum, okay? So let's just see how this goes. If we look also at on the 1 hour and we use the standard deviation bands, we can see that we're at the highs, and usually at the highs, okay, we reject. Well, we already had the rejection here, but you guys can see that usually when we tap the higher bands, we reject. Maybe that's a shift in structure and we are now turning bullish, maybe. But yeah. For me, I will still be cautious on Ethereum. Look, every time we hit the higher bands, we reject. So this high is also important. Up. up. So yeah, let's see. Regarding the trade, guys, yesterday we took this long on Ethereum, okay, risk 1% up. We caught a 5.5% trade, so 5.5% profit on Ethereum. That was good. Well, not 5% because I took some profit, so I made 3.8% on that trade, to be fully transparent. And on BTC, risk 2%, okay, for 4% profit. I didn't make 4%, I made 3%. So overall, that was like 6.5, 7% profit, which was good. Very good day yesterday. So let's try to see what we get today. But honestly, I don't want to long here. We could have long, if you look at here, we retested the 1 hour trend here, okay? 1 hour trend we test, held it, and now we might just ride the 1 hour trend for higher. On the 1 minute, well, if the 1 minute, it's okay. On the 15 minute, resisting the bands. So let's see. And here on the 4 hour, outside the bands, okay? First time we really retest the outside of the bands since the run up to all-time highs, okay? So maybe we just hold above the bands and we just keep pushing like this, and then we have a big dump. So let's see. Pumping heavy here, 96k too. Might be a bullish day. So for now, no real trigger, guys. For now, no real trigger. T-shirt ETH, no. It's Loewe, it's a brand, Spanish brand. Hi Patelman, how are you? Are you looking for any setup while waiting? Update on Sol. Yeah, that's a nice gain. That's a nice gain. Update on Sol. Let's look at Sol. Solana. Well, actually took that level. We are also at heavy like supply zones on all the altcoins. Okay. Now it really depends on BTC. We took the weekly high again, so this might push. What would be interesting is to see how we close outside the value in the 2 hours, even in the 1 hour. Well, it's in 47 minutes. It's in 13 minutes, so we might close above. So let's see. Let's see. We have this high here. Probably take it like only 0.3% away. That's also a level, interesting level of interest. So let's see. BTC hits 30 days high. What? We made a new high here. Yeah. Depends on where you're watching it. Yeah, we swept it here. It's just here. Which chart is that? This is BTC per Binance. Okay, we didn't took it on Binance. 108 watching. Yes, that's good. What tools are you using other than MMT and TradingView? I use also Kayotaka for the order flow. You can also use it on Market Monkey, but I love to have just this one on Kayotaka, but it's just me. We can see we have 1 billion candle here in volume on Binance Future. Well, it's not really Binance Futures, because if you look at here, pumping. If you look at here, the aggregated volume footprint, can see that we are looking at all the futures, data. Okay, we are looking at all the futures data here. So yeah, I also have this, which comes from Pex, a dashboard I bought from him. That's a market maker dashboard where you have also the imbalances. We can see we have lots of imbalances, but usually when you have that much imbalances and we don't reverse, we just squeeze higher, which we did. Okay, this is why I was not looking for shorts before 96Ks, and we basically longed it. That's a strong push on New York Open. Now let's see. Let's hope it's not like a New York Open pump, and then, well, actually we dumped on New York Open the first 5 minutes, but I don't think that's the New York Open dump. That's more like a New York pump. Now if we look at Velo data, Supreme Court tariff decision in few minutes. Oh, also, yeah. What an open. Yeah, very strong open. If we look at the data from, let's say, a year, we can see that the average return by day, okay, the average return in the last year during the Wednesday is bullish, okay? So that's interesting. And then Thursday, Friday is bearish. That's a mean, okay? That's an average. And return by hours during the sessions, well, New York session is not that good. It's mainly end of the New York session that is good. So yeah. Now, if we look at the statistics, guys, if we look at the probabilities, we can see that we have low chances to take out the daily low. Well, 28% based on distance still. Station low also only 20%. Weekly low only 20% chances based on time and 17 based on distance. And the monthly low, okay, 10% based on time and 20% based on distance. So still low chances to go lower, but as it's still a range to me, it's still possible, okay? Still possible. Clean flip of the trend. That was very, very clean, guys. If you look at it, can we extend that? Nice. Okay, if we look at it here, we left the low here, okay? Didn't took this low, didn't took this low, didn't took this low, didn't took this low. So accumulation, okay? Pushing higher. Went above the daily trend, the 50 EMA, 21 EMA, retested it, okay? Wicks under and closing above, and then we pumped. So the target could also be 102K. We have a gap here, single print here, kind of a fair value gap here, another gap here. So that could be the target also. Up, if we use the rectangle, basically that's kind of the resistance level, which we are retesting right now. Are you looking Pengu to go long or short? For now, I'm just waiting. Same thing here, the supply. Now let's look at the other coins you guys asked. So let's look at Pengu, USDT. Same supply here on Pengu. Nice consolidation here and pump, but we left a lot of things. And again, guys, all the altcoins, like if you guys are long on altcoins, it will depend on BTC. If BTC bounces and pump higher, altcoins will go higher. That's just logical, okay? We can also take a look at important things, which are first the total market cap, okay? Total market cap very clean again. Retested the trend, same as BTC bounced. So nice bounce here. If we look at the USDT dominance, same thing, okay? Broke down the trend, retested the daily trend and now dumping. So that's kind of good. If we can hold under this on the daily, that would be a breakdown and we probably just rotate back down, okay, on the USDT dominance. If USDT dominance goes down, then BTC will go up, okay? That's how it works. And I have BTC dominance here also. So BTC dominance, basically if BTC dominance goes up, Bitcoin will be stronger than altcoins. So you have a lot of ways to see it. If BTC dominance goes up and Bitcoin goes up, then BTC will pump more than altcoins. If Bitcoin dominance goes down, but Bitcoin goes up, it's because altcoins are taking the liquidity and altcoins are rallying heavier than BTC. So that's bullish for altcoin. That's like the mini alt seasons. If BTC dominance is pumping, but BTC is dumping, this means that altcoins are taking a crazy hit, okay? They are very heavy, they are dumping very heavy, and BTC is also dumping, but less than altcoins. And that's it, I think I did it all. And if BTC dominance dumps and BTC dumps, this means that altcoins are stronger than BTC on the dump, basically. So yeah, that's a bunch. 117 viewers, guys, thanks a lot. Can we see the recording later? Yes, guys, you just have to check on my YouTube channel. You go to the streams or like to the streamings. You have the video streamings, you click on the streamings and there's all the recording for all the streams we do, if you guys want to watch them later. So yeah, for now, pumping. Nice retest of previous weekly high. Nice flip here and pumping. So now let's see. Do you believe in super cycle thing? Yeah, could be, but like, my take is that BTC is just going to be more like S&P, so less volatile and just going up on the long run with more correction. Obviously, when it will correct and there will be like bear markets on S&P, BTC will also dump and probably heavier than S&P. But like no crazy things. Up. Let me show something. Wed. Oh, I don't know how to write English. Wednesday. When will the new Telegram group come, Diego? Very soon. Diego, do you think the bull run has started? Brother, the bull run started in 2022. Since 2024, 2025, we maybe still are in a bull run on BTC at least. I mean, if you look at BTC on the daily, guys, this is a bull run. I mean, you cannot say that was a bull run, guys. That was a bull run. I mean, if you are really serious, from the bottom to the top, we made 700% on BTC. That's a bull run, guys. The bull run already happened. On Solana, same thing. From the lows, we made 2K%. On Ethereum, from the lows, in 2022, we made 400%. You can take all the coins here from 2022, same thing. Here, up 400%. Dodge made what? More. Dodge 700%. All the coins made crazy returns, guys. AVAX, same thing. AVAX made like 600%. So that was a bull run. Like, we had a bull run. And now, the question is, was that a correction and a deviation back under the trend and we reclaim that and then we go for higher? And we keep pumping like a super cycle? Or was that a bull run up? And will this be a correction? Maybe not that deep, but like this. And then we do something else like that, okay? Maybe we do some shit like this. And then we go higher, okay? Or maybe we just keep going up from here. We reclaim those levels, okay? And if we stay above this, then this is invalidation. And we just go toward the highs and then higher. There's a lot of possibilities. It's all about speculation, guys. Bitcoin 8-week high. Yeah, very clean. Now let's hope this is not, let's hope for bulls, because personally I don't really care if this goes high or no. Let's hope for bulls this was not a deviation. So yeah, like that could be a setup though. But I don't know. I'm not in this. Let's look at the data first. If we look at the 12 hours leaks, yeah, we took them here. 24 hours, took them here. We left some lower. Up. Big imbalances. And also something interesting, guys. Look at the open interest. We took all these and we left a lot of, okay, things here. 89 to like 87 Ks. So if we do reject and we do go back here, okay, that would be very bearish, and we can retest these levels and even go back toward these levels, okay? That's possible. So now let's see. The question is, can we hold? And also S&P. Because if you look at this, S&P was bouncing, was pumping, BTC was dumping. Now, is it that time where S&P dumps and BTC pumps? Maybe on the low time frame, but on the higher time frame, if S&P corrects, for me that's BTC will be bearish. I mean, if ES loses the trend and goes down, I don't know, even toward this level, which is not a crazy correction from highs, that would be like 8%, some shit like that. Yeah, not even 7%. So even a 7% correction on S&P could drag BTC much lower, okay? So now the question is, can S&P hold? And also what's important is the dollar. The dollar needs to go down. And right now, if we do have a clean flip of the trend here on the dollar and we break this level, okay, this is a very strong level. Let me put this here because I cannot see up. Okay. If we break this resistance here on the dollar, okay, on DXY, if we do break that, I feel like this will be broken and we just pump higher, and that will be bearish. That will be bearish, guys. So now the question is, can we hold or no? I heard there's going to be some news with Trump today regarding the economy. Do you think it's going to affect crypto at all? Yeah, possibly. I mean, guys, where is that? This big dump, okay, was a Trump news, okay? Well, it was the catalyst. It's just that the market was just over leveraged. There was no volume, there was no liquidity, so we just dumped. And that broke a lot of things. But this big dump, the 10 October, if you guys remember, it's when Trump said that he was going to increase way more the tariffs on China. That was very bad news, okay? And that was just bullshit because he said this Friday, and I feel like it was like Sunday afternoon on his post, on his social media. I don't remember the Truth, Liberty, I don't remember the name of his social media, but basically he said, yeah, okay, it was a joke or something like this, I'm not doing that. And the stock market was closed. So the stock market was not impacted by that because it was Friday night that he did that. But crypto was still open because crypto is open 24/7, even the weekends. So we just dumped. This motherfucker just dumped on us while this... Sorry. Whoa. I need water. While the equity was not impacted. What is Market Cipher B saying on BitC? Well, we can look at it. The Market Cipher B, okay, nice bullish dot here at the retest when we bounced. But stochastic RSI is still a bit at highs, okay? The momentum still at highs. So this is not the moment where you want to go long, okay? You go long when the Market Cipher and the stochastic RSI is at lows, okay? You don't go long when it's at highs. That's a simple rule. I mean, swing long. You can go scalp long on a daily basis. This is all right. I mean, you can go long here, TP here, like that's just scalping. But on the higher time frame, you just don't trade it, guys. You just don't trade it. Seems like a good idea. Yeah. Clément, it's private. It's a private one. Now it would be nice to get a rejection from that. If we look at the longs entering, well, we already have lots of shorts chasing. Not really chasing, but here the volume on longs was insane, guys. 60 million, 100 million, 200 million, 250 million, 300 mil, 400 mil, 500 mil, almost a billion in longs here, in delta longs, okay? So that's big. We might take them, at least take this low. Let's see. Let's see. Also, if we look at the spots, okay, spot is kind of holding, that's fine. We swept the high here. So now, yeah, we don't want to see a rejection. Open interest went up like crazy, lots of longs chasing. You guys can see here lots of longs. So what we want to see again is this daily close to close above this anchored VWAP. If you look at here, the anchored VWAP is starting here from that high, okay? I started this anchored VWAP here, and you guys can see that rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and here we closed above it. So if we can flip it, that's very bullish. If we lose it, that will be bearish. We're rejecting it since, yeah. Let's see. By the way, guys, if you are not still in the Telegram, let me find the link. I don't know if I can give you guys the link. Is everyone in the free Telegram or no? Is everyone in the free Telegram? Let me put it here. I don't know if I can share, if I can put a link here. Well, there is the link here. I don't know if you guys can click on it, but join it, because if you look at that, let me put it here. So basically that's the free Telegram, guys. Okay, you guys can see I'm sharing a lot of things here every day, okay? Sharing basically everything in this Telegram. So if you guys want to join, the link I just posted it, or it's in my X bio. And basically, look at this. I already prepared the group. The group is here. Okay, you guys can see. But basically, yeah, I will open, okay, a VIP Discord. But the VIP Discord I had was a paying subscription. I will remove it. I will merge it to Telegram. There will be a VIP. You guys will be able to send me a DM, and we will select the people that join. It will be totally free, okay? So I feel like anyone can join if you guys want. So totally free Telegram with all my signals, educational contents, and there will be also something insane within the people in the VIP. We will make them win this year a ticket to come with me, okay, and maybe a friend of mine, to F1 Grand Prix in paddock. That will be an insane experience. We'll do a vlog on YouTube also. That will be insane. So yeah, so I will keep you guys updated when we release that. Now let's get back to trading. Looks like this is holding for now. Looks like this is holding. Not in the shoulder. May you show today's setup once again. I'm not in any setup, brother. I just hedge my spots. So on Ethereum, okay, with a swing, but very low leverage. You can see 5x leverage, but like it's with not all the margin, obviously. And on BTC, where is it? On BTC, it's this, okay? So that's a swing, okay? I might go out or just close the edge at 100Ks. But that's an edge, okay? So basically, I'm not really making money if we dump, because that will just compensate the money I'm losing on my spot and in my swing long. But as on the long term, I'm wanting to accumulate BTC, this is good, because I will be able to close the edge short lower and then ride again the longs and the spot from lower and then make money on the long run. I don't know if you guys get it, but this is my way of trading, also edging. And it's very good because I'm able to accumulate more BTC basically with this. And on the long run, I want to have the more BTC I can, okay? That's just the goal. So this is how I do it. That's it, actual paddock or paddock club? No, paddock. Paddock with a team. Like it will be either Aramco, Aston Martin, or us. It's not as good as Aston Martin, but it's still good. I'm still trying to find a platform that allows us to do that, but we will have it for sure. I mean, and I have only one word, guys. So I will be invited for sure by the platforms and by some partners. So if I cannot have some ticket for me plus someone from the community, I will just give it to someone from the community and don't go to that Grand Prix. So you guys can clip that, okay? But there will be someone from the community that will go this year to an F1 paddock with me or by himself, but invited by me. Yeah, I'm swing short Ethereum. Same short as me, I just short on my money, exactly. Reversal incoming, look up. Yeah, the 14 is always where the sellers are coming back. By the way, guys, 120 viewers. We are above 100 viewers in average in this stream since the beginning. That's crazy, thanks. First day since we started, that's good. Now that we have the 100, let's keep at the 100 and let's try to go to the 200 by this year. That will be insane. That's crazy how to get access to. Yeah, you have to. It's all about networking, because these tickets are like 20K, and I am not paying 20K to go see Formula 1. Even though I love Formula 1, I won't pay. The only thing I will pay is maybe, yeah, for like the last race. For example, I'm a Verstappen fan, so if Verstappen was going to win the last Grand Prix, if I had to pay 20K and he won on the last race, yeah, maybe that was worth it, but no. The only 20K I will put on like a sport event will be like the World Cup final, if there's like a huge final with a huge game. For example, the last game, France against Argentina. Honestly, even 50K I would have given. Even 50K. You can buy into actual paddock from what I know, need to be small. Yeah, exactly. You can go to the paddock club, so you are like on the side, but you still like see everything very close. But if you want to be in the paddock with a team, you have to be invited by either a sponsor or like the team or like the family of like pilots or stuff like that. Bro, you are awesome with edging. Thanks, brother. 20k is paddock club, isn't it? Yeah, it's paddock club. It's not even like being paddock in the like you cannot buy that. Or you can buy that if you sponsor a team, but that's like we're talking about millions here. But it's not for one race, it's for the like the full year. Still. Well, still pumping. Still pumping. Pa, pa, pa. The vibe on X is really like bull market vibe. And again, it's funny because I get people on Twitter hating on us, while, I mean, yesterday we literally longed. We longed, and we made profit this week. I mean, I'm streaming with you every day, sharing all the calls in live. So you cannot say we didn't actually made money with the trades. Like, that's just bullshit. Still no trigger, but okay, there's the news on Trump, guys. There's the news on Trump. Let's go on X. The Supreme Court doesn't rule the tariffs. Look. Supreme Court doesn't rule on Trump's tariffs Wednesday. Yeah, exactly. I totally agree. If we stay above that, we really have to hold this low. Have the same level. If we lose this, then it's very bad. But as long as we keep trading above that, we can target these levels. So yeah. Just posting on X, sorry. $97Ks, yeah. I want to get to be. Are we going 100K today or? I have burned 2 prop accounts. The third is my last one. Advice to make it quick but more safe. Thanks for the insights. Well, if you're already thinking about making it quick, it's not the good mentality. And again, prop firms, guys, are a trap for me, for retail traders, because with the rules, it's really complicated to make consistent profits on the long run for me. And you will think about trying to not burn the accounts and you will be stressed. Instead of trading with your own accounts is better. So I know it might be complicated to trade $500, 1K, but what you have to do is just to backtest your strategy, trade even with low margin, okay? And you just prove yourself that you can trade and you work on the side, okay? And you add money to the account and you just keep trading like this, because for me, that's the only way to make it. Prop traders that make it, it's like 0.01%. It's even less than the traders with their own money that make it. So it's really, really complicated, okay? It's not the same trading, it's really complicated, and it requires a lot of luck to me. Like, I don't really like prop firms, honestly, guys. Breakout is not too bad, you just have to be slow and disciplined. Yeah, but I don't know. Breakout, I feel like the rules on breakout, they're very, very tight, so Honestly, I don't know. I want to. Put your hand. Look, spot is holding, okay? Might have some shorts entering. We've got nice short liquidation, but not as much as yesterday. Here was cleaner. Look, punting rate decreasing, lots of shorts, and boom, we had a crazy pump. Like in 10 minutes, we pumped 3%. That was insane. Well, here we also pumped like 3%, so that was clean. But now let's see. Today is very important. We really need to hold above this. If we can close the daily above these levels, that would be nice. We still have a lot until the daily. Okay, still have like 8 hours 40. But if we do close the daily like this, we might have some days, okay, of up again. And the altcoins might pump. But if you look at the altcoins, okay, they're a bit weaker. Like, I don't know, Pengu, look at Zek, same, already rejecting. Well, XMR also. XPL, well, it's shit. Aster also, looks like shit. Near rejected again. Yeah, I mean, the altcoins are not that strong. Hype is okay. Maybe we can get to that level, okay? But I feel like if we reverse, alts might take a big hit, okay? This is why... I had a level here on BTC. Oh. Okay. That was from here. Well, we tested that. Actually, it's the same level. Huh? If you look at it here, okay? Let's drag this. Same thing. It's kind of the same thing, okay? So, could be that. Not trying to jinx it, but yeah. We still can go a bit higher. But for me, I don't know. For me, if we go above this, like above 99, 98, 99, like we won't stop at 100k. We will just go higher, like 105, 108ks. So yeah, above 100, I don't want to fight the price. But here we are still, I mean, we are still here, guys. We are still in this kind of level. So could be distribution. So I don't want to be bullish too quick, okay? It was good to buy spot at lower prices, but now I feel like we just chill. And now what's important is to basically hold above this value, okay? Is to basically hold above this value. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 97k short starting to look good. You entered short, brother? You look at SMT, not really. And also people leave from prop firm trading. You try to make the most of it and it's below the account. You just start again, I guess. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem, is that it's not your money. That's the problem. You cannot like build, you cannot trade unified account, etc. That's like not the best. For me, that's not the best. Nice first level here. We've hit a big point of control here. Just checking the message, guys, sorry. Yo, bro, you set up GetTrade Journal with secret and private keys. Yes, but it's from Coinbase, guys. The account I use is a Coinbase one. I will show it to you guys right now, the trading journal, so you guys can see also that we are doing real trading. Yeah, this one. So basically, up. So yeah, let me put it here. Look, that's my trading journal from TradeAI. So there's like all my trades, okay, here. For example, if we look at yesterday's trade, where is it? Here. So that was Ethereum, okay. Conference with BTC long, blah, blah, blah. We took this long here. We have what? These are the edge at open, okay. So little edge on BTC and Ethereum. This long, for example, on BTC took it also. And you guys can also see here in the dashboard, all the trades taken, okay, in December, in January. Very nice. Analytics, you can see that this is a 100K account, okay? So in this 100K account, I'm trying to make 6% a month. So in December, it was 6K. Now this month, it was 6K 500. So we made it, okay, above 12K. So I reached my January targets already. So I could stop trading, but if we do have some setup, we take them. We can see here, for example, trade expectancy. When I take a trade, the trade expectancy is $300, not bad. Largest P&L 2K, largest lowest P&L, so the biggest loss 2K. We can see the days of the week also. So the best days of the week are Thursdays. We are Wednesday, so that's not my best, but it's alright. My worst days are Monday and the weekend, okay? So not really good to trade during the weekend. And times of the days, the New York session is always the best. Max consecutive loss 1, average trade per day 1, average daily PNL 0.20% on the accounts. That's good. Lowest PNL in terms of percent 3%, so that was a swing. Largest PNL 4%, that was a swing. That was yesterday. So yeah, you can see also the performances here. Okay, the equity is going up. 84% win rate on BTC, 75% win rate on Ethereum, and 100% win rate on Hype. Well, I only took one trade on Hype. And so yeah, the analytics is pretty clean. This journal is very good. You also get AI insight. Okay, so you can have all your trades. You basically mark your levels here. You put your stop loss. You can edit. Okay, you can put your stop loss. You can add notes. You can say it's a scalp, a swing, bullish, bearish, range markets, the time frame. So you have a lot of data about it. Okay, you can see, for example, here on the strategy. Okay, I have the PNL depending on whether it's a scalp or a swing. We made more money on swings. Okay, we can also see when it's longs or short. We made more money on shorts. On the market type, range, bear, bull, and on the time frame, which time frame is the best. And you also get AI insights. So that's literally the best trading journal, guys. If you want to try it, I put you guys the link in the chat. I asked the bot, it should give you the link. And so basically, with this, and the subscription is not that expensive, and the trades are connected. So whenever you will take a trade, it will automatically be placed here. For example, the shorts I open, the swing shorts I open, for the edge shorts, they are here. Okay, you guys can see them here. And you also get AI insights. And soon there will be also an AI assistant, a chatbot, with which you will be able to talk with, okay? You can connect Bybit, Binance, BitGet, Bluffin, Hyperliquid, soon MetaTrader for your problems also. You can connect TapBit, ZoomX, Coinbase, OKX. You can basically connect every exchanges. And if you cannot and you don't want to connect your exchange, you can also put the trades manually, okay? That's good. And you have, okay, analysis on your psychology, on your strategy, risk management, improvement suggestion, winning patterns, losing patterns. You have a bunch of data on your trades. So that's very good. That really helped me. I feel like having a trading journal like that is mandatory. You need to have something like this. So if you don't already have one, check the link in the description, not in the description, in the chat, guys, and just create your TradeAI account, because that's just so good. That's just so good. Now let's see. They are holding above yesterday's high. Interesting. Let's see if we can push higher. For now, we're holding. 87K before 97K is invalid now, Diego. What we can expect, brother? I didn't say 87 before 97. I said 87 before 100. But that's just an idea, again, that's not a setup. But for me, in order to go back down towards 87, we need to lose this this level, 94, 95Ks. If we get back under that after this attempt again, so one attempt failed, two attempts failed, we can target first the 8-week composite value high again, previous value high, previous weekly low, but it won't be this week, so this one will be removed. We can even remove it now, okay, or we can keep it, but still. And the 8-week composite POC, previous monthly val, and this. So basically, if we look at it here, on the inside day, we are breaking above, so we have a single print here at 97K 700, so that will be the next logical targets. Then we have a single print here at 100K, another target, and then this big single print at 108K. For me, if we go above 100Ks, I don't want to be shorting here. I feel like we just go for that, okay? The bearish scenario will be to get back under this, to fail the bounce here, and to really lose that. We can go down here and then bounce again. But if we get back inside this, and even worse, we get back inside that, okay, under 92Ks, I feel like we trade toward 86, 84, and ultimately 80s. That will be a harsh rejection, but for now, they're trying to make this breakout. Hey, what's Brighter Data saying? Any chance to filter a specific trade for automatic input? Yeah, you can filter the trade based on the time frame, based on the ticker. You can also select the trade based on the dates, etc. So you can have a lot of ranges. My bias is kind of neutral here still neutral bullish. I mean, as long as we hold above that, okay, I'm neutral bullish towards this. And if we lose that, I will be bearish, okay? But here, I don't have any reasons to be very bearish here, okay? Maybe just like a scalp. Like, could be... I could take a scalp and still not be bearish. I mean, we can take a scalp toward these levels, okay? Maybe toward this, like a 2-risk reward with stops at like, yeah, 97, 600. Some shit like this, okay? 2-risk reward trade, and then we trade higher. That will be alright. That will be alright, and we still can go higher, okay? What will make me very bearish will be a loss of this, okay? A loss of this, and I'm very bearish. So I will even trade that, okay? Like loss of that, and I'm bearish. Even more if like this goes here, and we like have a trigger here. That'll be the bearish thing. But here we can still go like, we can either hold here, or we can still like, I don't know, say this or this. As long as we stay above that, okay, like, I'm not excessively bearish, right? Brother Data saying, okay, yeah. So on the daily low chances, well, still 22% chances to take out the daily low based on distance. The session very low, but the session we don't really take it in consideration. That's too low time frame. On the weekly, 15% chances to take out the weekly low. And on the monthly, 6% chances to take out the monthly low based on time, and 16% chances to take out the monthly low based on distance. So that's also low, but we still have this warning, okay? And this warning is the most important. 100% of the monthly low have a bigger wick, okay? If we look at it here, if we go on the monthly, you guys can see that current monthly don't have any wick. We don't have any wick. And if we look at the monthly, the weekly candles, okay, the monthly candles, they all have a wick, okay. Even this one is a little wick, but they mainly all have a wick when it's a bullish candle. We only have that one that didn't have any, okay. So that's something to take in consideration also, to me. So now let's see how BTC reacts. Up. By the way, guys, we are constantly 100 watching. Might decrease under, but we almost did 1 hour with 100 viewers at the same time. Thanks a lot for the support, guys. If you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please follow. That will help me a lot. We are almost at 1K 600. Let's try to get to 2K this year. I feel like we can do it, but that's the target. Again, I'm streaming every New York sessions, every days. Sometimes I can't because I have something to do. But if I'm at home and at my office, I will stream. So make sure to follow. Well, I notice you guys on Telegram and on X. Good job, Diego. You're blowing up in 2026. Thanks, SM Tag. Hopefully. Working for it. So yeah. Boom, great work, Diego. Thanks, Crypto Minutron. My guy since the beginning. Hope you're doing well, guy, brother. You don't hold me. You don't owe me. Like you know me. Well, it's time for a little Rocket League game. Now we're waiting. Let's see. Give me the reason. And if you want me. Honestly, guys, and that's something, I don't know why, but when the market is like this and we are pumping, the comments, they are so aggressive and people are so mean. I mean, whenever you dare to post a short setup, if we are pumping, even if you make money, okay, you get so much bad replies, people hating you, and they're so arrogant. And I feel them because it's probably because they've been in crypto, they didn't make any money, they probably lost a lot of money. So they just have to insult someone and they don't want the price to go down. And what's the most funny is when you take a setup, even like a day trade with like a 1% stop loss, they say like, oh, liquidated, bro. Like, oh, that's not how it is. Like, I don't know. And honestly, well, now I don't even reply. I reply sometimes, but before I was replying to everyone because that was making me so angry. Like, I was like, how can some people on earth be that stupid? But I'm not fighting them anymore. Like it's a lost case. These people are a lost case. So better to focus on my shit. Bit early today, bless you. You take a position today? No. This is not a trade, guys. I remove it. I put it here. That's just like to, if we have any like two risk reward trade idea, but that's not a trade. That's why I love shorting. Same. And honestly, as I started trading during the bear markets, the 2021 bear markets, a crypto, I'm more used to shorts. So, I mean, I don't have any problem shorting. The problem is that most of the people in crypto, they only think they can make money if crypto goes up. And the thing is that they are very euphoric because they are all probably holding their accounts, okay, and expecting the price to go up. But the problem is that they never take profits. And even if they take profits, they will do the same mistake again when the price will go lower. They will again long with all their accounts
and that time maybe the price doesn't bounce and it just go lower, like for example since October, and they all get wrecked. So that's the only problem of this space, is that people maybe they take trading as a casino, and that's the problem with the crypto industry also, that people just want to make quick money. Are you in a trade? No. Just in 100 million worth of Bitcoin short liquidated in the past 16 minutes. Yo, crazy. I don't know, did we ever got like a 1 billion day liquidation, but in shorts? I feel like this never happened. I don't have the, I don't remember. The thing is that I don't know if it's possible to get to 1 billion in shorts liquidated. Are you going to short if the price reaches 98k? Well, to take a real short, I don't know. For now, again, guys, I took some shorts, but these shorts are like not, it's not a directional short. I'm edging my spots and my swing position. So basically, it's like I'm flat right now, because if the price goes up, my spot and my long will print, but my shorts will lose money. And if we go down, my short will make money, but my spots will lose money. So at the end, if you do the plus and the minus, I'm not making money. But I'm waiting still in order to either close the longs and just ride the shorts, or close the short and just ride the long, or even open another short with a bigger size to be exposed in shorts. But for now, I'm just edge. I'm like flat. Like the market can go up or down. The problem is that if the market goes up, well, I had good entries on the longs, so I could be making money. So at the end, I'm not making money on the longs, but it's not really a loss. I don't know if you get it. That's how edging works. I will make a video on YouTube and also in the free Telegram on the educational content explaining how edge work, because this is something not a lot of people use, because it's a bit complicated, and honestly, people in the crypto trading space, even more on X, the influencers, they are not traders, guys. I can tell. Even some, don't want to be trash, but even people I love personally, as friends, etc. I won't say who is the good trader. I won't say who is the bad trader, but there's a lot that they're very fun, cool, etc. But they are not traders. They don't have risk management, and they make money when the price is going up only. That's the problem. And that's a bit raging, because when you see, you cannot really say anything because like they're your friend, etc. So, but like, come on, bro. Like that's a bit raging, because if I was making the same content, a bit like clickbaits with like up only, etc., I will have way more followers. I will make way more engagements. I will have way more viewers in my streams. But I'm not doing this, and I won't do that, because that's not real trading, and that's not what I want to share, and that's not the value I want to provide to you guys. I want to provide you real value. So I won't say that you will be in 6 months a millionaire with trading because you long 10x something and that was the moment to lock in and you 100x your account. No, because first, if you do that, the probabilities for you to blow up your account a few weeks, a few months after making this money is very high, because you made quick money by chance. So there's very low chances that you keep this money. And I'm speaking about real experience because I also did that. I also went from 10K to 100, 200K and blow all of this 2, 3, 4 times. And this is not sustainable. Yes, you will have quick dopamine. Some months you will be rich. You will have a lot of money, but at the end of the day, you cannot live like that. So if you want to build something big on the long term with trading, it takes more time. Yes, it's less attractive, less dopamine. Okay, you make less money on the short term, but on the long run, you will be able to live off that. And that's my goal. So that's why I'm doing this. Real one, that authenticity will attract the right type of people in the long run, though, much better. Yes, exactly. And that's also why I want my community to be people truthful, and that don't, because also if you fall for the bullshit, it's because you're a little bit like this. So I want to attract people that don't fall for that and that use their brain. And yeah, so that was it. That was it. Thoughts on the 1 billion OE under 1 hour? Yes, but lots of bull chasing. we could reverse here. Huh? We can easily reverse here, guys. Let's wait for the daily. Let's wait for the daily close. But that will be terrible for bulls. Shit. It's hard to smoke IQOS, play Rocket League, and stream at the same time. My mates, when I stream, hates me because we're just losing. By the way, guys, if anyone is playing Ark Riders, I think that's the new game. Ark Riders. Do you guys know that game? Is it good? Because I saw a lot of YouTube videos, TikToks, etc. about it. I see a lot of people playing. And that's really the kind of game I like. Like, you interact with people, you build base, you survive. Let's trade, brother. There's just no trigger. I try to take a trade every day, but if I don't have a setup, I won't take it because that's just forcing a trade. Sometimes not taking a trade is a trade. So I'm just waiting. I don't have any trigger. I don't mind going long lower or like even shorting lower, but here I don't feel the trade. Yes, bro. So good game. Love you, Alexa. Thanks. And yes, Crypto Million is good trader, bro. Problem is that he's French, so all the French people just come at him. But he's a good guy and he's a good trader. I mean, and what I like is that he's really sharing. It's like me. Maybe not really on X, because there's not a lot of people sharing setups for free on X, but in his private group he's doing. I'm inside. And yeah, it's good. The ones I'm talking, you probably don't know them. Is anyone in the trade, guys? Did anyone shorted or the top here or long this morning? I was tempted to long the 1 hour trend retest, but I didn't. I should have. But that's fine. By the way, blocking all the liquidated replies on X. These guys doesn't deserve to see my content. And it's funny because they follow me. So when I'm making money on trades, on longs or shorts, they're sucking my dick. But when my trade is against their bias, they're insulting me. So just go fuck yourself. Sorry for the language, but don't want to lose time with those motherfuckers. Do you ignore the news while trading? No, I look at the news. It's important. It's important. The macro is very important. You always have to look at the news, look at the economy, be aware of everything, because that impacts the markets, even the crypto markets. I'm tempted short on this 1 hour only close if it's a shooting star with volume. Yeah, let's see the close. What web is that? Is it with... No, it's IQOS. It's IQOS. Got out as we pumped yesterday, half of my size, and got back in this morning around noontime. Nice, sorry. In longs, still riding it? What is your target? Looks like IQOS. Yes, it's an IQOS. That's good because in Europe, you don't have it in all the countries. Here in Dubai, you have it. So that's nice. It's better than cigarettes. It's still not good, but it's better than cigarettes. You know, I know. Yeah, the 1 hour is not the best as of now. But the 4 hour, you can see on the bottom right, is looking good. So let's still wait. I feel like we still need time to see if that was really like another failed breakout. We will know tonight, I think. No rush. I feel like there's low chances we just pump straight to like 100k today. So let's see, we will still have time to get some triggers if we want to long. And we will still have time to get some shorts if we want to short. Better than weed? I don't think. That's not the same effect. I don't really like weed though. Stop smoking, bro. We gotta play tennis in the future. Even if I smoke, I beat you, bro. Ouais. Ouais, Sam. C'est une maison. But hit me up, Alexa, to play tennis in Dubai. I have nice spots. I play at the Atlantis Royal. Weed makes me paranoid. I prefer mushrooms. Bro, mushrooms are worse than weed, no? Never tried, but I don't really feel safe eating mushrooms, honestly. I don't even like natural mushrooms, so drug mushrooms, no way. I mean, Aaron, oh shit. Yo, Brock, really appreciate what you're teaching us here. Thanks, PB Blur. P Blur. You tried mushroom, Alexa? Is there weed in Dubai? No. I think there is, but if you get caught, you go to jail, so I'd rather do that in Europe. I want to try drugs in Dubai, not gonna lie. Mushroom are great, gives you a new perspective on yourself. It's not how people describe it. Okay. Well, maybe I will try one day. Like you have to try some things, but still makes me scared. So stop it. Look, funding's decreasing, so some shorts entering, huh? They're trying to save the 1 hour, looks like. Yeah. Still 11 minutes to go. So let's see. Retested the mid bands under 1 minute. I got exam somehow, then Chicago summer baby. Yeah. Have good friends around you. Yeah. Also, I think that's the thing. When you try stuff like that, you don't have to be solo. Mushroom small dose, very nice. Yo, are you guys all taking mushrooms here or? I feel like that's very niche. Also, if we look at here on the 2 hour closing in 11 minutes, we are closing outside the value, which is good. If we could teleport here. Are you currently in short? I'm not in a directional short. I just edge my spot with a short, but I'm not in a directional short. But yes, on Ethereum, I'm in this risk 2%. That's it. But on BTC, no. Thing is that it's a bit risky, this one, because BTC is low-key strong here. So yeah. Daily retailing for the win. Smoke weed, but not mushroom. I haven't tried mushroom before. Have you tried MDMA? No. Guys, this is not a drug stream, huh? What are these bands, mates? These are SMA VWAP bands 200. Let us know when you're in a directional short. Yes, I will update in the Telegram, guys. If I take a long or if I take a short, as usual. By the way, stay tuned. Maybe tomorrow or maximum Friday, I will open the VIP Telegram for everyone. I'm still making the structure, etc. There will be a chat there will be educational contents, there will be analysis, there will be signals, and there will be also videos in the Telegram. So it will be totally free. I will make you guys will have to send me, I will explain you how to do it. I will open it soon. But yeah, it's coming soon, guys. Diego, it's okay to be scared, and it's good time for your respect. The mushroom will know this, you won't understand this. Okay, I will respect the mushroom. Got it. Looking forward to the Telegram. Yes. I will update you guys. I think if you're here is like you're in the free Telegram. So yeah. Look, we flipped the daily VWAP. Now if we do have a, maybe we don't even retest it and we just pump. But if we do have a retest of the daily VWAP, you want this to hold, okay? That's important. For potential higher prices. But honestly, this still looks good. This still looks good. So not in a rush to force any like heavy position. Just some scalps or like low swings. You can even like try to scale. I mean DCA up to like 98, 99. But for me above the 100, like this just teleport. Wait for the Discord. No more membership of the crypto group needed. No. Well, I will merge because I prefer now to do this all on Telegram, so we don't have like YouTube, Telegram, X, Instagram. I would still doing the YouTube and the Instagram and the X, but Discord and Telegram, it's too complicated. So I feel like I will merge everything in the Telegram. I already did the free Telegram. It's working nice. There's already 1,000 people here. So what I'd love is to create now the VIP Telegram instead of the Discord. Before it was a $100 subscription. It was like 1K for the year and 2K for the lifetime. All the people that took it and or still have like monthly subscription and that paid, they will have it again. But it will be open to everyone, okay? It will be open to everyone now. I will just explain you guys, I give you guys the link and see how to join. I'll probably do like a 3 to 5 minute calls with the potential members and also my team. That's going to be nice. I really want to create something very, very special. Why don't you take a long if it looks good? Because we just pumped 5%, 6% in 2 days. So there's no reason to long here, brother. And it's not because it's look good that you just long at market price. Sometimes you just wait. If it's bullish, okay, then I wait for, at one time there will be a pullback. Maybe there won't be, but at one time there will surely be a pullback. And then I can enter. I don't want to be chasing the price at highs. That doesn't make sense. I mean, it doesn't make sense to long here. Okay, that just doesn't make sense. Like you don't long here. I'm not a breakout trader, so I feel like you have more chances to be trapped. No, it's free, guys. No more VIP. Basically, that's the VIP because that will be my signals, okay? But that will be free. You don't have to pay anything. You will see. Well, looks like it just went higher. We weren't able to take any trade today. Up. Oh shit. Up. Are you considering short only if we close below? Yeah, exactly. Under the value in the right conditions, that would be nice. Or maybe higher. I mean, here at value highs, like 98Ks, maybe. If we do have like another push here. Funding is decreasing. Yeah, the funding is decreasing also. You can see that shorts are opening here. Look. And we've got shorts chasing here. More here, but... So this just looks like it went higher, guys. Up. No clear trigger yet. Nice liquidity setup on the 4 hour. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Looks like today is a no trading day, which is cool because staying flat is better than losing money. Exactly, Joe Bildo. How do you set value high inside VWAPs on MMT using VWAP suite? Basically here, for example, if you put that one big, okay. For the monthly, for example, look, you go in the VWAP suite, okay? So I show the monthly VWAP here, then you go lower and you have the monthly VWAP standard deviation settings. And so you can use, okay, the monthly standard deviation 1 bands. You can also have the 2 bands. You can also have the 3 bands. Personally, I use the 1 bands. These are the most efficient. That's the value, basically. And if you want, you can also show, where is it? Where is it? Show previous session bands area. Okay, look, this is previous monthly value. Here, show previous bands area, you just remove them. Okay, you can put them or remove them. That's good because then you can have the continuation of the value of the last month. So I have here the value area high of last month, that is here, flat. I have the monthly VWAP of last month, so previous monthly VWAP, and I have the previous monthly value area low, okay? And then here, I have the value area of current months, monthly VWAP, and value area low of current months. I'm on MMT, was just wondering how he's doing this. But yeah. S&P foreshadowing. Yeah, maybe. Is S&P pulling back heavier? Let's look here. Oh, yeah. Well, we've got a bull signal here, but... S&P dumping. Yeah, let's see. That's funny. S&P down 1% on the day. BTC is up almost 1.5%. That doesn't happen a lot of time. So let's enjoy the BTC strength for as long as it works. MMT, so yeah, MMT is very good. Can you chart LTC, please? Yes. Sorry, I saw it, I forgot. So LTC 4 hours still weak. Okay, we have a big volume node here. So that's a resistance. And yeah, we're above the 10-10 week, okay, on LTC. That's not too bad. But yeah, on the daily might be accumulation, okay, above this. I mean, look at this here. That's like base. This is like your support. So we can, if we build here strongly, that can be nice. Up, sorry, let me plug my MacBook. Up. If you guys have any last question, because I will go now. But yeah, LTC, as long as we hold here, it's good. But again, it all depends on BTC. If BTC pulls back, altcoins will take a big hit, okay? Like, that's why I swing shorted Ethereum also. Because that's worth it, instead of swing shorting BTC. Because if BTC goes back to like 87, I feel like altcoins will be at lower prices that they were when Bitcoin was at 87K. So yeah. Yes, I only have a Ethereum directional shorts. Stops 3K, let me check. My stop is 3K600. That's a very wide swing. That's like a 8% wide swing. But I'm only risking 2% on this swing. Okay, that's a very low position. That's a swing, basically. If you want to have it here, basically, that's kind of like this, okay? And the target is even lower. I mean, target could be this low, but I feel like it can be this low or even lower. Huh? Could be even lower. But yeah, let's just say for a 2-risk reward. Okay, so 2 persons for 4 persons. That's fine. And also we risked 1 person here and we made 5%. Well, actually we made 3.8% like I told you. So yeah, risking half of the profit from this long in this swing to get 4%. So that could be nice. So now let's see. The 2 hour just closed, guys. Outside the value. Pretty good. Now let's see if we get a continuation up and we just trade pump, or if you have a rejection. So let's see. Thanks for the stream, guys. We were above 100 for like 1 hour. That was insane. We went up to like 130. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for the support. See you guys tomorrow for the next stream, and Friday also. We will stream tomorrow and Friday, and then I will see you guys again Monday, Tuesday, well, blah blah blah. Super excited for Telegram. Thanks, brother. Should we expect a short setup on Telegram too? I don't know. Honestly, even me, I might stay flat, but stay tuned. Put a notification on the Telegram. I will let you guys know. Can you review total, please, to validate your point for BTC drop and us dropping more? Well, we can take a look quick at this. But yeah, basically total, let's look here. No, where is it? Maybe here. Yeah, total. That's total excluding BTC and Ethereum, okay? Look. If you look at it, okay, we didn't made a new high here on the total excluding BTC and Ethereum. While on the total market cap with BTC and Ethereum, we made a new high, okay? So BTC and Ethereum are stronger than altcoins right now. And BTC is even stronger than all of the other ones. And the altcoins are less strong. So maybe they are just lagging and they will pump later. That's a possibility, okay? But if BTC holds and go towards 98, 100, altcoins will run. But if it rejects, they will reject heavily. So that's why I feel like it's a good thing. Nos vemos. So yeah, thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow. For the giveaway, sorry, I don't have time. Tomorrow we'll do another giveaway of 200. So 2 people winning 100. So yeah, thank you guys for the